Tesla's production has been based on gigafactories, and what we know for a fact is that these gigafactories have boosted their production and earned them millions. Not so long ago, Tesla became the 6th company in the world to hit the $1 trillion mark, and this is not the end for them. They'll still continue with their mass production. One of the gigafactories that has helped them get to where they are is the one in Shanghai. As if that is not enough, Musk wants to open up another gigafactory in China. But where in China will it be? Well, stay tuned to find out. Hello guys, and welcome back to Tech Elon Musk, where we discuss Elon Musk news, SpaceX news, and much more news about Elon Musk. Today, we're going to have a look at Elon Musk's plans to build a new gigafactory in China. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. And with that said, why is Musk thinking about building a new gigafactory in China? I think we can all agree that Tesla is the current leading company in electric vehicles. What they've done and how many EVs they've produced is clearly unmatched. Even with all the competition they're facing, they still manage to remain on top. Year by year, they keep getting more followers and customers worldwide. This means an increase in demand for their cars, especially the Tesla Model 3. This calls for Tesla to reconsider its production strategy, and this is where the gigafactories come in. The gigafactories act as manufacturing powerhouses. At the moment, Tesla claims that they can produce about 500,000 cars annually, all thanks to the gigafactories. The greatest benefit of the gigafactories is the power to fabricate more parts in-house. This saves on time and expenses, resulting in cheaper pricing for their customers. Tesla also did their best to make gigafactories as eco-friendly as they could. They are all zero energy plants, meaning that all the energy they use is from renewable sources. Mostly they use solar energy, which means they have no negative byproducts. Right now, you will mostly find the Tesla Model 3 on the road. It's now become the first thing that you think of when you think of Tesla. Not only the cars, but also the Tesla roof heavily promote renewable energy innovation. But as much as these products are amazing, Tesla depends on one thing to remain successful: the Gigafactory. The Tesla Gigafactory is unlike any ordinary factory. It's set to revolutionize manufacturing and production as we know it. The idea of gigafactories has pushed Musk and his Tesla chips into the spotlight. You can even think of the Gigafactory as the heart of Tesla's manufacturing. As Musk says, it's the machine that makes the machine, a gigantic structure with millions of square feet of floor area. The Gigafactories are a game changer for Tesla, and because of this, Tesla is destined for prosperity. But why another Gigafactory in China? People often confuse the Tesla plant in Fremont, California as a Gigafactory. As much as it seems like one large structure from the outside, it's in fact a collection of interconnected structures. But as demand increases over time, so did the factory expand. And because of this increase in demand for Tesla vehicles, Tesla saw the need to build a Gigafactory. When Tesla was introducing electric vehicles, they wanted to prove that they could be beautiful, high quality, and ecologically beneficial. But the outcome was really surprising. The Model 3 in particular ended up being the most sold. Its demand got to the point that people had to wait up to 3 months, and even sometimes longer before it could be delivered. And by the looks of things, the demand will not get any lower. In November 2019, the Tesla Cybertruck was unveiled, and Tesla already had more than 1 million pre-orders. Tesla had to find a way to mass produce their vehicles in order to meet all these orders. The Tesla Gigafactories have the machinery, space, and advanced technology to ensure fast and accurate production of their products, which include electric vehicles, lithium-ion batteries, and solar panels, among other things. The Gigafactories also eliminate the extra cost of shipping products to various assembly locations, since it's all done in the same factory. When you have a look at Tesla's website, you'll find that the Gigafactory will lower the cost of electric vehicle batteries, which in turn will lower the cost of Tesla vehicles themselves. This way, more people can buy Tesla vehicles, thus increasing demand. While the idea of a Gigafactory is interesting, Tesla still has a long way to go before they can fully make it work. Tesla's Nevada Gigafactory was the first to be constructed. It has roughly 2 million square feet of floor area, and it's not even being fully used. The facility currently focuses on producing Model 3 motors, which are then transported to the Fremont facility. Here, the Model 3 is brought together to make a final product. This doesn't mean that the Gigafactory in Nevada is complete. It's even said to be functioning at only 30% of its full capacity. The Nevada Gigafactory also produces the Model 3 battery packs and energy storage items like the Power Pack and Power Wall. The Gigafactory is said to expand with time, most probably realizing Musk's aim of perfect vertical integration of all Tesla goods. The main objective is to be fully self-sufficient, meaning that the company can produce at a higher rate, thus fulfilling the increasing demand. It's going to be a while before Musk's vision can come true. However, technological breakthroughs will change all this soon and bring it into reality faster than you'd think. According to Elon Musk, he plans to build about 10 to 20 gigafactories within the next 2 decades. Giga Shanghai, the first gigafactory that's outside the United States, is considered the guinea pig. So far, everything seems to be fine. Other growing markets such as Argentina, Mexico and Morocco may also have gigafactories erected soon. Gigafactories may be the stepping stone in the development of emerging markets. Something that the gigafactories really help with is the creation of jobs. This in turn improves the industry, opening up new trade opportunities and providing a clean alternative for the automobile industry. Gigafactories might be the solution to global poverty alleviation. The Shanghai Tesla Gigafactory is considered the pinnacle of Musk's concept. Thanks to a lack of red tape in China and fewer environmental concerns, it took only 168 days for the facility to be completed. When production began in 2020 at Giga Shanghai, Tesla was able to produce about 4,000 Model 3s per week. And last year, Tesla almost quadrupled its production level. Now, Tesla believes it can produce about 450,000 automobiles per year from Giga Shanghai. At the moment, the Gigafactory has proven to be quite effective in satisfying demand. In fact, according to Tesla, finished automobiles from the Gigafactory may be sent to Europe to satisfy demand there. One of the most noticeable ways that Giga Shanghai has helped China is by creating employment. Since its creation in 2019, 2,000 employees have been employed there, with many of those positions being on the assembly line. This makes them accessible jobs to people who have no educational qualifications whatsoever. In addition to providing jobs, Giga Shanghai also provides a remedy to the city's massive pollution problem, with the poorest residents residing in the hardest hit areas. The Air Quality Index, or AQI, is normally around 150. Therefore, an AQI of 0 to 50 indicates good air quality. Giga Shanghai is a clear indication that companies can run on a large scale without relying on fossil fuels and other non-renewable sources, especially in a country where about 1.24 million people die from pollution-related diseases every year. If the energy technology used in Giga Shanghai was used by other companies all over, thousands of lives would be saved, especially those living in the most polluted neighborhoods. The cost of the most popular EV, which is now the Tesla Model 3, has been quite high. But with the introduction of Giga Shanghai, manufacturing and shipping expenses in China and Europe have greatly decreased. The Chinese Tesla Model 3's production cost, when compared to its American counterparts, was lowered by about 28%. Chinese residents now have better access to clean, dependable personal transport that keeps their cities clean. Another outcome of Giga Shanghai is Tesla's new prospects with European nations. Since Tesla's now cheaper in China, countries like Germany, France, Italy, Portugal and Sweden are now buying them. Through trading in more volumes with industrial economies, China is now more than ever closer to being a fully developed economy. With the success of Giga Shanghai, the new Gigafactory in China is also expected to be a success. And one thing we're sure of is that it won't be long until we see that new Gigafactory. And not just in China, but all over the world. And that's all for today's video, guys. What do you think of the new Gigafactory in China? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on updates about Elon Musk. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.